Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a must-have accessory for your car trunk organizers. Whether you're hauling groceries, sports gear, or tools, keeping your trunk tidy can be a challenge. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best car trunk organizers, breaking down their pros and cons to help you decide which one fits your needs best. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Wuatow Car Trunk Organizer. The Wuatow Car Trunk Organizer offers a convenient solution for those looking to keep their vehicle tidy and well organized. Designed to store a variety of items from groceries to sporting goods, this organizer ensures that your car stays clutter-free while providing easy access to your essentials. With its durable construction, multifunctional design, and practical features, it's a solid choice for anyone in need of additional car storage. Pros: versatile storage. The Wuatow organizer excels in versatility, able to store a wide range of items such as first aid kits, tools, groceries, books, and children's toys. This makes it a perfect accessory for both family trips and everyday errands, covering a broad array of storage needs. Durable and waterproof material. Made from wear-resistant, dirt-resistant, and waterproof materials, the organizer is built to withstand daily wear and tear. Its high-quality leather finish ensures it not only looks good but can handle rougher conditions, making it a durable addition to your car's interior. Foldable and space-saving design. When not in use, the organizer can be easily folded down to just 4 inches in thickness. This feature is especially useful for those who value trunk space and prefer a flexible storage option that doesn't become a permanent fixture in the car. Privacy and cleanliness. The removable cover ensures privacy for items you'd rather keep out of sight, while also protecting them from dust and dirt. It helps keep your car's interior looking neat and organized, even on busy shopping trips or when traveling with kids. Easy access and organization. The multiple compartments make it simple to organize and access items quickly, preventing things from shifting around in your trunk. Whether you're storing files for work or packing for a picnic, the Wuatow organizer helps you stay organized and stress-free. Cons: no insulated compartments. The Wuatow organizer does not feature insulated compartments, which could be a downside for those who want to store food or drinks for long trips. If you're using it to carry perishables, you might need a separate cooler bag. The Wuatow Car Trunk Organizer is a highly functional, versatile, and durable solution for organizing your car's trunk. It's particularly well-suited for families, frequent travelers, and anyone who uses their vehicle for a wide range of activities. Its waterproof and foldable design makes it practical and easy to maintain, while the large capacity, multi-pocket structure allows for easy organization of various items. Coming in at number 4, we have the Yssoa Car Trunk Organizer. The Yssoa Car Trunk Organizer is designed to help keep your vehicle clutter-free and well-organized. With its large capacity, durable construction, and multi-purpose functionality, it caters to a wide range of storage needs, both in the car and around the house. Whether you're using it for groceries, sporting equipment, or everyday items, the organizer offers practical storage solutions for various vehicle types, from sedans to CUVs. Pros: spacious and well-organized. The Yssoa organizer's large capacity, with 2 main compartments, 4 side pockets, and a mesh bag, provides ample space for various items. This structure ensures that different types of cargo, from groceries to tools, can be neatly organized. It makes it easy to find and access items without having them shift around in your trunk. Durable and waterproof. Constructed from 600D Oxford polyester fabric, the organizer is designed for durability. The reinforced stitching adds to its strength, while the waterproof material protects items from moisture. This makes it a reliable option for both everyday use and for trips in unpredictable weather conditions. Anti-slip design. The anti-slip bottom ensures that the organizer stays in place, even on sharp turns or rough roads. This is a significant advantage for keeping items secure and reducing the need to constantly rearrange them. Versatile use. While it excels as a car organizer, the Yssoa Trunk Organizer is also useful outside the vehicle. Its multifunctional design makes it suitable for home storage, helping to declutter areas like garages, living rooms, or offices. It's especially handy for keeping camping gear, household supplies, and even kids' toys organized. Cons. Basic aesthetic design. While functional, the design of the Yssoa organizer is quite basic and may not appeal to users looking for more stylish or decorative storage solutions. It focuses more on practicality than aesthetics, which may be a drawback for some. The Yssoa car trunk organizer is an excellent solution for keeping your vehicle or household items organized. With its large capacity, durable waterproof fabric, and multiple compartments, it's perfect for anyone looking to reduce clutter in their car or home. At number 3, the Hotor US11032 car trunk organizer. The Hotor US11032 car trunk organizer is designed to help you keep your vehicle tidy and well organized, whether you're transporting groceries, tools, sports equipment, or other items. With spacious compartments, durable materials, and a flexible design, it aims to provide convenience and efficiency for every trip. Here's a closer look at the pros and cons of this handy storage solution. Pros. Ample storage space. The Hotor US11032 organizer is equipped with 3 large compartments and 6 additional mesh pockets, providing plenty of room to store a variety of items. This spacious design helps keep your trunk clutter-free, allowing for organized storage of groceries, tools, sports gear, and more. Durable and long-lasting. Made from high-quality Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching, the Hotor US11032 organizer is built to withstand heavy use. Its thickened base panel and handles enhance its durability, allowing it to support over 60 lbs of weight without compromising structural integrity. Flexible and adjustable design. The adjustable side Velcro strips allow users to customize the organizer's configuration, enabling it to be folded fully or partially based on your storage needs. This flexibility means you can easily fit it in the trunk, back seat, or even the front seat, making it versatile for various vehicle types. Convenient access to items with its well-designed compartments and mesh pockets, the Hotor US11032 organizer makes it easy to see and access your items. No more rummaging through a disorganized trunk, simply grab what you need when you need it. This convenience is particularly helpful during quick stops or when you're in a hurry. Portable and space-efficient. When not in use, the organizer can be easily folded flat and secured with Velcro strips, freeing up trunk space. This collapsible design allows for easy storage at home, making it an essential item for anyone who values a tidy and organized vehicle. Cons. Not waterproof. The Oxford cloth material is durable but may not be fully waterproof. If exposed to spills or wet items, users could face issues with leakage or dampness, potentially leading to odors or mold if not cleaned promptly. The Hotor US11032 car trunk organizer is a practical solution for those looking to keep their vehicle organized and clutter-free. With its spacious storage options, durable construction, and flexible design, it meets the needs of a variety of users, from families transporting groceries to outdoor enthusiasts carrying sports gear. In the second spot, we have the Trunkcrate Pro car trunk organizer. The Trunkcrate Pro car trunk organizer is an innovative solution designed to keep your vehicle clutter-free and organized. With its spacious compartments, durable construction, and user-friendly design, it promises to enhance your car storage experience. Here's a comprehensive look at the pros and cons of this popular trunk organizer. Pros. Durable and long-lasting. The Trunkcrate Pro organizer is crafted from high-quality Oxford polyester, making it highly durable and capable of withstanding the rigors of regular vehicle use. Its waterproof and abrasion-resistant materials ensure that it remains in good condition, even with heavy loads. Spacious and versatile storage, with its generous dimensions and multiple compartments, this trunk organizer can accommodate a variety of items, from groceries to sports gear. The removable subdividers allow for customizable storage solutions, enabling users to adjust the internal layout to fit their specific needs. Easy installation and use. The Trunkcrate Pro is designed for simplicity. Users can quickly unfold it and load their items without any complicated assembly. Its straightforward setup helps eliminate clutter in the car, making it suitable for everyone, from busy families to road trip enthusiasts. Innovative features. The organizer's unique design incorporates features like a clip and hold subdivider, rigid base plates, and anti-slide technology. These innovations help keep items secure and prevent them from shifting during transit, adding to the overall functionality and convenience. Cons. Size may not fit all vehicles. Although the Trunkcrate Pro offers ample space, its larger size might not be compatible with smaller vehicles or those with limited trunk space. Users with compact cars may find it challenging to accommodate this organizer without sacrificing space. The Trunkcrate Pro Car Trunk Organizer is a robust and thoughtfully designed solution for anyone looking to maintain a tidy vehicle. With its spacious compartments, durable materials, and user-friendly features, it effectively addresses the common challenges of car storage. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fortem FRTM-To Car Trunk Organizer. The Fortem FRTM-To Car Trunk Organizer is designed to help users maintain a clean and organized vehicle. With its sturdy construction and multifunctional capabilities, this organizer aims to make car storage easy and efficient. This video is a detailed exploration of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros. Sturdy construction. The Fortem FRTM-To Car Trunk Organizer is built with rigid base plates, ensuring it remains stable and retains its shape even when filled to capacity. This durability means you can store heavier items without worrying about sagging or collapsing. Non-slip design. The inclusion of non-slip strips and adjustable straps helps keep the organizer securely in place, preventing it from sliding around in the trunk. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who frequently drive on bumpy roads or during sharp turns. Versatile storage options with multiple compartments and side pockets. This organizer can accommodate a wide range of items. Whether you're storing groceries, toys, office supplies, or sporting gear, the Fortem organizer simplifies the process of keeping your trunk tidy. Collapsible and portable. When not in use, the Fortem organizer can be collapsed to just one compartment, making it easy to store or transport. Its flexibility allows users to adjust its size according to their current storage needs, making it suitable for various situations. Enhanced security. The removable lid not only keeps your items out of sight but also adds a layer of security, especially when leaving valuables in your car. This feature is advantageous for those who frequently shop or travel with sensitive items. Cons. Size limitations. While the Fortem organizer is versatile, its dimensions may not fit all vehicle trunks perfectly. Users with larger vehicles or those requiring substantial storage space might find it a bit limiting. The Fortem FRTM-To Car Trunk Organizer is a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's storage capacity and organization. With its durable construction, non-slip features, and versatile use, it effectively addresses common clutter challenges faced by drivers.